have here, and I'm doing the reading for the cancers. Please check your, I'm reading the reading for mid-January to 2016. Please check your moon signs and your rising sun signs. I've picked 4 cards for you from the Daily Guidance from Angels Oracle Cards by Doreen Virtue, and 2 cards from the Life Purpose by Doreen Virtue as well. So this looks like a really favorable month for you, Cancerians. I can see a new partnership coming your way. You're letting go of your past. There's really nothing to worry about. You're spending time with children this month, spending quality time with your family. And it seems like a really favorable month for you this month. So the first card I've got for you is new partnership. So it's a chance meeting, it's no mistake. So you'll be meeting somebody new. Maybe if you're already in a relationship, you might be taking it to the next level. There might be marriage on the cards. For those who are single, be positive because there's a chance that you'll be meeting a new person. So someone new has or is about to enter your life as an answer to your prayers. This person will be a partner, maybe in a business, friendship, or a romantic sense. Don't go looking for him or her, as it will happen very naturally. When you meet this person, be open to divine guidance, which will direct you both in a loving and a magical way. The other card I got for you is the child card. Now, as a Cancerian, you care deeply about children. You like spending quality time with children. And also you have childlike qualities yourself. So spending more time with children and also maybe looking into areas of employment related to young ones. Your life purpose also involves helping children in some way or another. So be as a child and pay attention to your inner child this month. Also, you could be conceiving this month, or if you're you could also be pregnant this month or expecting a child this month. For some women, you might be thinking about adopting a child maybe in some way or another. So that's in the agenda as well. The other card I got for you is let your past go. So you really need to let your burden go because you've been carrying a lot of worry in your heart and having a lot of past worries in your heart. So you need to let that go. So your thoughts and feelings about the past are holding you back, and you're repeating a pattern because of unfinished emotions from your past. So this card is a sign to forgive and move on and to stop the painful patterns. It doesn't mean that you need to be with the person you've forgiven. It simply means that you're not having any toxic feelings towards them and have some peace in your heart. There's really nothing to worry about this month, so don't worry about any problems that you're having. You need to move forward in a positive direction and not worry about anything. The angels have sent you this card because they think that you're worrying about too many things this month. So release your worries to your angels, as there's truly nothing to worry about. The other 2 cards I got for you is the family card and the trust card. So you'll be spending a lot of time with your family this month, around loved ones, with your friends and family, especially spending more time with children, as you got the child card. So you'll be spending quality time with your children and also with your partner, embracing really valuable time. Trust card came up for you. So you have to trust your feelings and dreams this month to take you to the next level. So if you're hurt from your previous relationship and you're moving on to a new relationship, please, you need to learn to trust that person a bit more. Maybe let them into your life again and have another relationship. So this looks like a very favorable month for you, Cancerians. You've got a new relationship in the agenda. You have to let your past go in order to embrace a new relationship. There's really nothing to worry about. The angels are telling me that you really have nothing to worry about and you need to move forward. You also will be spending time with children as it shows in your family card and the child card. So it's a great time to be spending time with your children this month. So altogether, it's a really good time for you Cancerians. So hope you enjoyed the reading. Please subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you all next month. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.